In today's video, I am going to teach you how to optimize Wix SEO with H1 through H6 tags, meta titles, and descriptions. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to optimize from your dashboard. Once you are inside the site editor, click Design Site to begin working on the layout and content. Next, go to the page you want to optimize. Click on the heading or text element you want to update, and then select Edit Text. From there, choose the correct text type for that content. You can set it as Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, Heading 4, Heading 5, Heading 6, or Paragraph, depending on the role that text plays on the page. Then use Heading 2 for major sections, followed by Heading 3 and lower levels only when needed. Repeat this process for the rest of the headings on the page, so your content is organized in a way that is easy for both visitors and search engines to understand. After updating your heading structure, move to the left toolbar and click Pages and Menu. Find the page you want to optimize. Then click the More Actions icon with the 3 dots next to that page. From the menu, select SEO Basics. In the SEO Basics panel, enter or update the title tag for the page. This should clearly describe the page content and include your primary keyword when appropriate. Then enter or update the meta description. Write a short summary that explains what the page is about and encourages people to click when they see it in search results. Once you have added that information, review the preview on Google section. This gives you a quick look at how your page may appear in search engine results. Check that the title and description look clean, relevant, and easy to read. When you are finished, close the Page Settings panel to save your changes. Then click Preview to review the page and make sure everything looks correct. If you are satisfied with the updates, click Publish to make your SEO changes live on your Wix site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.